Installing a rear number plate on a Tesla sounds easy until you realize Tesla doesn't make it easy. Unlike most cars with pre-drilled holes, Teslas make you drill your own. Yep, right into that sleek, pristine trunk. Painful thought, right? Tesla ships its Model 3 and Model Y with a rear plate mount, but no holes in the trunk by default. Which means if you live in a state that requires a rear plate, congrats, you get to be a DIY body shop technician for the afternoon. The fear is real. No one wants to drill unnecessary holes and mess up the clean, high-tech look of their Tesla. I get it. I stared at the rear panel of my Model 3 for a full 20 minutes before even taking out the screwdriver. But here's a little relief. Tesla includes a small rear bracket and kit with plastic anchors and screws. You'll find them in the glove box or wherever the dealer happened to toss it. If it's missing, just order a kit from the Tesla shop online. It's under $20. Step 1. Clean the surface thoroughly. Any dirt or dust will mess up adhesion, alignment, or even scratch the paint when screwing things in. Use rubbing alcohol and a clean microfiber cloth for the best result. Not paper towel. Don't disrespect your paint like that. Step 2. Test plate alignment before you commit. That Tesla paint is unforgiving. Lightly tape the number plate with painter's tape and stand back. Is it crooked? Is it too low? Redo it until it looks perfect. Trust your inner design freak. Step 3. Mark the drill points. Tesla's bracket kit actually helps here. It has plastic tabs that mark where to drill. Once the alignment looks good, press the bracket into place so it leaves an imprint on the paint. That's your go-no-go line. Deep breath. Step 4 is drilling. Use a 7/32 bit and be gentle. You're going through aluminum, not drywall. Don't exert too much force, let the drill do the work. And yes, if your hands are shaking, that's totally normal. Welcome to Tesla ownership. Next, insert the included plastic anchors into the freshly drilled holes. They should push in snug, don't hammer them. Then, align the bracket and screw it in. Tighten it, but not like you're bolting down an engine block. Over-tightening can crack the anchors. Now attach your number plate to the bracket using either Tesla's supplied screws or some stainless steel ones you trust. Pro tip, grab anti-theft screws from Amazon. They cost $10 and stop random people from stealing your plate or scanner tag. Once installed, give everything a once-over. Is it level? Are the screws flush? Does anything rattle? One small alignment issue can drive you bonkers every time you walk past the car. Fix it now before it becomes a compulsion you can't unsee for the rest of the year. If you're not into drilling, understandable, there are alternative brackets that use adhesive or suction solutions. They're not as secure, especially in super hot or icy climates like Portland in winter. But for some, avoiding holes is the hill they'll die on. You only have to do this once, but it's a rite of passage, like the first time you parallel park using only cameras, or figuring out which USB-C port actually charges your phone. But hey, now your Tesla is street legal and still looks good doing it.